The 10 best and worst foods for your kidneys, according to dietitians. The kidneys are essential for maintaining a healthy balance of fluid, minerals, and salts in the body. They filter a half cup of blood every minute, with each kidney containing about 1 million nephrons. They also produce hormones for red blood cell production and healthy bones. Diabetes and high blood pressure are the top causes of kidney disease, affecting 1 in 3 U.S. adults. Maintaining a kidney-friendly diet can help support kidney health. Even without kidney disease, incorporating healthy foods into your diet can help support kidney function. The best kidney foods. 1. Dark green leafy vegetables. Dark-colored vegetables such as spinach are a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins C, E and K, and minerals calcium, magnesium, potassium and iron, making them excellent for preventing kidney disease, adds Ruz. These vegetables combat inflammation and protect against oxidative damage that occurs when the kidneys are overworked, she said. Are you ready for an antioxidant boost? Try our crispy onions with greens. 2. Cherries with a tart flavor. When blood pressure is too high for too long, the kidney's tiny, sensitive arteries and veins might get damaged. Tart cherries are one of the foods that promote good blood pressure and renal function. Tart cherries, which are high in vitamin A and antioxidants, have been linked to lower blood pressure, making them an excellent choice for a kidney-supportive diet. Good blood pressure management is critical for avoiding kidney damage, explains Ruz. 3. Tofu. Tofu is a good source of plant-based protein that can help your kidneys. Meat, while has many nutritional advantages, can be rich in acid, which can place a burden on kidneys that are already under stress. Since the kidneys balance our body's pH and remove acids, foods that support this process, like tofu, can be incredibly kidney-supportive, Ruz goes on to say. Unlike animal-based protein, plant proteins help improve the body's pH, avoiding a potentially harmful acidic environment in the body, she said. This is not an excuse to stop eating meat. Tofu, however, can be a good option if you want to reduce your meat consumption a bit. Try this simple stir-fried broccoli and tofu. 4. Flaxseed. Over time, kidney damage might result from high blood sugar levels. For this reason, chronic renal disease and type 2 diabetes are related. Including high-fiber foods like flaxseed in your diet is one approach to maintain stable blood sugar levels, which in turn promotes healthy kidneys. According to Ruz, the fiber helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for kidney health. The majority of Americans only get almost half of the daily required amount of fiber, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The USDA states that 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed contain almost 4 grams of fiber. Blend some into your smoothie or try our flaxseed-topped blueberry oat scones. 5. Onion. The health benefits of this allium are well known, and now we can add renal health to the list. Garlic has been demonstrated to help lower blood pressure and acts as a strong anti-inflammatory agent, both of which are advantageous for kidney function, explains Ruz. Garlic also supports the prevention of additional kidney damage by scavenging oxidative damage, which is a potential side effect of renal disease. Take a look at our assortment of several healthful garlic. Worst foods for kidney function. 1. Dark-flavored sodas. Carbonated drinks, such as colas, have a lot of artificial phosphorus in them. The mineral phosphorus is essential for healthy bones and can be readily eliminated from diet by functioning kidneys. Ruz warns about dark soda's artificial phosphorus, claiming that it can be harmful to the kidneys. Furthermore, the speaker adds, dietitians frequently recommend against consuming black sodas due to their considerable added sugar content. It is best to avoid them if renal health is to be preserved. 2. Dinners that are frozen. Even while frozen dinners are quick and easy, they are frequently incredibly processed and high in sodium. These dishes frequently have more than 1,000 milligrams of sodium per serving. We normally advise against relying on most frozen dinners because controlling salt intake is vital for kidney health, adds Ruz. The National Kidney Foundation advises most people to keep their daily sodium intake to a maximum of 2,300 milligrams. A person with high blood pressure or kidney disease should limit their daily sodium consumption to 1,500 milligrams. 3. Quick service dining. Fast food is frequently low in nutrients and excessive in calories, sugar, and saturated fat. Complex carbs, lean proteins, and a wide range of fruits and vegetables should be the main components of a kidney-friendly diet. According to Ruz, fast food lacks the healthy nutrients necessary for kidney function because it is high in sodium, saturated fats, and phosphorus. She continues, even though fast food is convenient, it's best to limit consumption. 4. Highly manipulated cheeses. Cheeses are not made equally. Certain processed cheeses are not just basic cheese, or even real cheese at all, if you read the package labels carefully. These are frequently referred to as cheese products. According to Ruz, even tiny portions of these cheeses can introduce unnecessary phosphorus and significant amounts of sodium to your body, which is not ideal for maintaining healthy kidneys. Instead of these, opt for natural cheeses like cheddar or Swiss. 5. Excessive meat consumption. Protein is required for cell growth and repair. However, it is possible to overdo it. Excessive animal protein consumption can be taxing on the kidneys. Animal proteins produce a lot of acid in the blood, which the kidneys have to work hard to get rid of. Reducing meat consumption is a thoughtful approach to maintaining kidney health, adds Ruz. Again, this does not preclude you from eating meat because healthy kidneys easily filter out the acid. Meat has numerous health benefits, but if you're concerned about your kidneys, consult your doctor about how much meat you should consume. In conclusion, there is no single food that is good for your kidneys and no single food that is bad for your kidneys. Aim for a balanced diet that maintains your blood sugar and blood pressure under control, since this will help your kidneys. Keeping some potentially beneficial foods in mind, such as tofu, tart cherries, and dark leafy greens, as well as focusing on a healthy lifestyle, can go a long way toward keeping your kidneys operating smoothly for years to come.